Hi, I'm Christine DeVlaming and I'm a newcomer to Toastmasters. Today I want to share with you why I joined and what I've learned so far. It's simple. I joined Toastmasters to become a better communicator. I can illustrate my progress with a little story. I was visiting a vendor and it came time for me to tell about our company. As I was speaking, I suddenly noticed I was having no trouble with this. I was thinking about what I was going to say and sequencing it in my mind in seconds. I was standing there, gauging their reactions and adjusting my message to keep their interest. I was speaking in public with ease. How was I doing that? I realized I had learned those skills at Toastmasters. I had learned my voice. Not only that, I recently accomplished my first speech without any notes. I stood there and accomplished it. It was like riding a bicycle without any training wheels for the first time. You have to regain your balance. But what happened as a result is no small feat. I spoke without notes, and that became an allegory for my whole life. Suddenly, I didn't need so much information to make decisions and to take actions. I wasn't expecting that little bonus from speaking without notes, but that's what happened. The last thing I want to share with you today is that at Toastmasters, I feel welcomed. It's a dynamic club and it's fun. The people are very supportive. The structure helps me feel secure so that I'll take risks and grow. The most important thing that I've learned at Toastmasters so far is that I belong.